Hello, dear friends. Today, I have a unique tutorial for you. We'll create a product showcase stage using PicLumen's AI image generator and incorporate it into our design in Adobe Photoshop. Stay with me until the end of the video. First, open your browser and search for PicLumen. Click on the first link to access the PicLumen website. In the top right corner, click the Launch App button. If you've already registered, enter your username and password to log in. If not, select Sign Up and register with your email and password. You can also log in directly using your Google or Apple accounts. Once logged in, click on the Create option on the left. Here, enter your desired prompt. I've provided the exact prompt in the caption for your convenience. You can choose to generate 1 or 2 images. With a monthly subscription, you can generate 4 images simultaneously and access additional settings. After making your selection, wait for the image to be generated. Wow, what a beautiful image it has created! Now, download it and open Adobe Photoshop. In Photoshop, click Open and import the image into your document. Next, bring in your product image. In this case, I'm using Dior Sauvage perfume, which I've already cut out, and place it into the document. Create a new layer beneath the perfume image. Select a brush with black color. Make a single click, and then press Ctrl+T to adjust its size and position it under the product. Adjust the brush settings to darken the surrounding areas as needed. Now, go to the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer option and select Color Balance. In the midtones, increase the blue, shift the green towards magenta, and add more cyan. Then, switch to the Shadows tab and slightly increase the blue intensity. Adjust these settings according to your image. Next, create an exposure adjustment layer. Slightly decrease both the exposure and offset values. Use the brush tool to add shadows beneath the product as needed. I think that covers everything up to this point. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, Desire. Until the next video, goodbye.